Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Good morning guys! So, in today's video ay mag-treadmill ako dito sa hotel na tinutuluyan namin. As I promise, nung video ako nung nakaraan, yung mga upload ko, papakita ko sa inyo ang gym dito. Ang gym. Hindi ko pa rin nakikita. Hindi ko hahanapin ko pa kung saan yun. So, samahan niyo ako guys. Tignan natin yung, ipa-vlog ko yung gym nila dito sa hotel. At saka rin ako, mag-treadmill din ako. At saka bahala na ako anong gagawin ko. So, stay tuned guys. Samahan niyo ako mag-exercise this morning sa gym. At, yun nga. Don't go! Keep on watching! See you later doon. Hanapin natin.
12 seconds later.
No, number 4th floor. 4th floor.
Level 4.
Where's the ground?
So here. We are here. Hi! Diba? So, where is it? Here. So, the gym is here. Ay! Ito ang gym. Ano to? Oras? Lunch. Tapos dito ay okay. Meron daw barbecuehan dito eh. Ayan. Ay, you can have barbecue here. Ayan oh. May barbecuehan daw dito. Ito pwede mag-barbecue. Ayan. Pwede mag-party dito. That's nice. Ganda. So, dito tayo sa gym. Right. So, here we are. There's no light. The light is automatically opening. Okay. So there is a bike here. Oh, this is nice, Ron. You can do it here, Ron. Look. And treadmill, lots of treadmill here. This one. Right. Grabe yung pawis ko. Ayan, habang nag-treadmill ako, nanonood ako ng TV. Ayan. O, diba? Mag-ano naman ako, mag-ano ako. Tapos, mag-bike ako. Ayan. So, stay tuned again, guys. Stay with me. Grabe, guys. Ay, grabe. I feel good, though, kahit nakakapagod. At least, sarap sa pakiramdam. Kailangan natin to para sa mga jibajanders na. So, hanggang dito na lang, guys, natatapos ang aking vlog. Maliligo na ako. So, thank you for watching, guys. Keep safe, everybody. And keep healthy also, because health is wealth. So thank you for watching. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on my next vlog. Dito sa sa Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia.